night. And for the repair at night, I usually have people use one or two different products, usually on an alternating night basis. In my line, I really like this one here, which is the TCA Retexturizing Cream. This one has retinol as well as TCA or trichloroacetic acid. Now the retinol, which is in this one alone but a higher percent, is really good at stimulating collagen. It's a lot like Retin A. It's actually one of the different versions of Retin A, but without the dryness and irritation that often accompanies Retin A. Alone, it's great for stimulating new collagen production. But when you alternate it with this one here, this retexturizing cream that also contains TCA, it helps to better manage dyspigmentation or blotchiness and to further smooth the skin. So I end up alternating these on a nightly basis.